them on the table. We've got them up here on the shelf. And you have 3 to choose from. We have Winter Woodland, already very popular. Going to be most popular. I'm going to
probably bet that too.
This is our gingerbread man, and this is our snowman. Now, all these don't have lids on them because crocks are made to be open.
That's right. Whether you're putting utensils in there, whether you're putting a bottle of wine in there. These are all hand painted. They're all sculptural. So I love the fact that, yes, we have that adorable snowman. We have that sweet little gingerbread. And then, of course, we have the winter woodland. And we probably can see them a little bit better over on the table, and I can talk through all of the details if that works for you.
I love what you've done.
You do? Thank you. Look at that centerpiece, by the way. Like
Look
this
over here
piece.
on the table.
Yes.
And I don't know, is it possible to bring our lights down to maybe half?
Oh, I love this.
Because I want you to see this light up display.
Yes.
This is gorgeous.
We talk about centertaining a lot, and we talk about using these key pieces so that, look at that.
Here, let me pick him up and bring him over
here. It comes to life. That's on your tray with tea lights layered in, and then look what we did there. Little pop, this is your centerpiece, all your fresh greens, sweet little lights, and now you've turned that crock into a great centerpiece. Look how cute that is. Look how sweet.
Are you over the top, or is everybody else just basic?
They're just basic.
Basic.
This is over the top.
This is over the top. I want a crock with light up sprigs of hair.
Exactly.
Yes.
It does look like he's about to pull his hair out a little bit. I'm not going to lie.
I love it.
And then look, so this will hold up to 27 utensils. So nice oversized handles that you see there. And I actually included the cardinal on both sides. So depending on, the way you want to display it, you have that. If you wanted to use this as a punch bowl as an example and put it on your table, you can do that as well. Ice bucket, love that idea. Yeah, this can hold your champagne. And this I love too for your cider. This will hold up to a quart of your cider. So now, slow down, Tara. Now, if you wanted, to again use this as a sangria, or you wanted to do like a fun little cider where you put your little cinnamon sticks in there,
or some cherries. Can I put the whole contraption into the microwave and warm up?
You may.
The whole contraption. Well, a contraption would imply that it was multiple parts. It's not.
My sweet little friend can go in the microwave, yes.
The whole piece can go in the microwave.
By the way, these mugs that are coming up, I know we just showed you a quick little tease, but look how they coordinate back with, again, if you're picking up the crock. We did Cheryl's cookies in here. So, and I love that you're going to do this. So as David was mentioning, and this is what triggered him, I'm sure, was that you can heat things up. So your pasta sauce in there, look how cute this is. You can microwave these ahead of time so it'll stay nice and warm because that stoneware, the heat hugs your food. So
I thought there were meatballs in there.
Of course there are.
I was like,
did you think I wasn't going to give you some meatballs?
This was not ladling out very easily, and I thought there must be something in there, and I was like, it's a big old meatball. And then, of course, you have to make it rain Parmesan cheese.
Please.
Come on now. There it is.
I want to be in your snowstorm of Parmesan cheese.
If it snowed Parmesan cheese on my house, I'd shovel every time. Look at that. I hire a young fellow named Mac, and he shovels for me.
Does he?
Yeah. He used to cut my grass when he was a teenager.
Yeah.
Now he's in his 20s, and it's his business.
And he started his own business.
It's his business.
I love it.
Isn't that great?
Way to go, Mac.
Mac is awesome.
By the way, this is coming up, our oven-safe gloves, which, by the way, I just took this chili out at about 375 degrees. I'm going to sit it down on top of what we call our drying mat because that's now our surface that's going to protect it. And to David's point, you can go ahead and serve that. Thank you. Notice that we're putting all of these ladles and spoons back down on our spoon rests. So, again, making it really easy.
1, 2, 3, up and over.
There you got it. Can I do a little?
Of course.
Okay, a little cheese, love. What happened to my sour cream spoon?
Maybe some sour cream.
A little sour cream. Okay.
Your heart, that's a little bit.
Well,
of sour cream.
It might be a little.
Here, let's do a little bit more.
Yeah, a little stunt sour cream.
I hear you.
Okay?
I hear you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Picking up. Okay, got it. And a little jalapeno. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
That we made in
now
what
that'll wake you up.
That we made in what is considered a utensil crock. So now it becomes a baker. Maybe it's going to hold your champagne bottle. By the way, these are the cotton towels that are coming up. Look, we just tied it right around the champagne bottle. And now look how sweet that is.
You know what that catches? The drippage.
The drippage. Yes, of course.
And so you go to serve champagne or wine or whatever, and those little towels are great because you can never have enough of them.
Right.
And they're not too thick where they won't tie nicely around the wine bottle.
Well, perfect.
Look at that. Love it.
Now he becomes a wine chiller.
Those are little pieces that make you an elegant entertainer.
Yes, and if you put some lights and some greenery in it, you're just over the top.
And it's like the whole hair lights up. It's fantastic. All right, we're gonna talk towels, yes?
We're talking towels.
All right, let me